Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Today we're checking out the Avid Power ACD316, one of the best cordless drills for DIYers and homeowners. From features to pros and cons, we've got it all covered. Let's get started. Product features. Real-time battery level display. One of the most practical features of the Avid Power ACD316 is its real-time battery level display. This lets you monitor the battery charge while you work, so you're never caught off guard by a sudden power loss. It's especially useful for longer jobs where consistent power matters. 15+1 Position clutch for precise control. The 15+1 clutch settings allow for precise torque adjustment, giving you full control to match the drill's power to your task. Whether you're working with wood, plastic, or metal, you can avoid stripping screws and overdriving with ease. Ergonomic and lightweight design. Comfort is key during any project, and the ACD316 delivers. It's lightweight and compact, which means it fits well in tight spaces and won't tire your arm out. The rubberized grip adds extra comfort, keeping your hands secure and reducing fatigue over time. Great for hard-to-reach places. Included with the drill are a magnetic flexible shaft and an extension bar, both extremely handy for hard-to-reach areas. Whether you're working inside cabinets or awkward corners, these attachments let you reach tight spots with minimal effort. Built-in LED light. Another thoughtful touch is the integrated LED light, which brightens up dark workspaces. If you're drilling in basements, closets, or during low-light hours, this feature helps keep your work accurate and visible. Versatile for different materials. With enough torque to handle everything from wood to steel, this drill can manage most day-to-day drilling and screwing jobs around the house. It's a versatile tool that suits both beginners and seasoned DIYers. Pros. Real-time battery display for better planning. 15+ clutch settings for precision and versatility. Lightweight and comfortable to hold. Flexible shaft and extension bar included. LED light for enhanced visibility. Ideal for wood, plastic, and metal surfaces. Cons. Not designed for heavy-duty industrial use. Battery life may vary with continuous heavy use. No hard carrying case included in all variants. Final thoughts. The Avid Power ACD316 cordless drill stands out as a reliable, user-friendly tool that's packed with features for everyday tasks. From its smart battery indicator to its ergonomic design and versatile performance, it's well-suited for home repairs, DIY projects, and light workshop use. If you're looking for an affordable, well-built drill that can handle most household jobs with ease, the ACD316 is a solid choice. Check the price in the link below, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Kingo for more honest tech and tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.